What's up, guys? Boy Jake here. For today's video segment, I am going to be doing an unboxing and probably an install for my 350Z. So let me know what you guys will think. Am I going double or single outlet? Ooh. And this is so low. It's not even like low yet, but even the low profile jack barely fit. Shout out to my boy Jeremy. Let me borrow his jack. I need to buy a new one because my big ass monster truck jack don't fit anything. Lexus, it's coming out pretty. Looks really pretty. The outcome came out nice. So the 240, we're still getting work on it done. We just got a hold of the motor and tranny on this is my girl's 240. So little by little, I mean, I got some wheels for it already too, so they should be getting, you know, worked on pretty soon. And the Lexus looking pretty nice. The rental car, since it crashed our Civic, that's another story for another day. Anyway, guys, so for this install, I am going to be doing the white pipe install because they are shot. It sounds like a wet fart, and I am not interested into wet farts unless they're coming out of my butt. But so we're going to replace the white pipe that's actually sitting around here, and we're going to be replacing the exhaust. So we're gonna see how it sounds. Right now, how it sounds very, very chafa. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of what I mean, how bad it sounds, and what a wet fart sounds like. So I'll turn it on real quick so it doesn't get too hot, so I can take it off. Wet part. Da, 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 da. Yes, I'm going single pipe because I love it. I love it so much. So it's kind of light. Actually, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's pretty freaking light. Cruise, homie. So, anyways, so we're gonna be unboxing it. I will see the link down below. How this puppy. If you guys want to get one like this, not that expensive, and cheap and way expensive, way more cheaper than a Tommy, but not as cheap as an aftermarket like those chafita ones that sounds like another wet fart, you know. So after painted this car, did a okay job, pretty good, you know. But bro, why would you paint the muffler? Look at that, overspray at its finest, dog. So then, all right, we're gonna go in. Woo! All right, the diff looks pretty good. Subframe looks good. Kind of a modded exhaust. And okay, so we're going. This is the exhaust. It's welded. Let me see how it's gonna look. Looks welded. I could probably take that shit off right there. It's all welded. This can hold on to this. So it should come up pretty easy. Fucking 3-inch piping, goddamn. Cool. It's already got scrapes like a motherfucker. Oh, I'm fat. See if I fit. I fit. No, I ain't no fit. I'm fat. Oh, I'm so fat. Okay, going back out. I need to go other side. Okay. Ow. Alright, now I'm over here. Okay. So this is where it sounds like a wet fart. These meshes get fucking torn up pretty bad. And basically when you rev it, it sounds like a horrible noise. I mean, I have two options that I can do right now. It's just straight taping it for the time being and actually do this tomorrow. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? This shit don't even got bolts on it? What the, bro? Can you guys see this shit? Motherfucker don't got bolts. Oh shit, sure. Alright, okay. I need to go fucking jack this bitch up a little longer. So this just got a bolt. Oh, this motherfucker got a bolt. Bruh. Ah. Okay, so I need to jack the car up a little bit higher because I am struggling. All right. Woo. So as you can see, it's missing 2 bolts. It's got mesh. That tends to happen when a car's lowered and you hit a lot of speed bumps. So I'm gonna end up replacing that. I literally just have to take off 2 bolts with this exhaust. That's how pretty like flimsy it's at right now. Oh, what the hell is this? Oh, take. Yes. Ah. Ah. What is this contraption? Whoa, shit, got a double pipe, neta? Golosa, double. Oh, shit, okay. Okay. It's just like, it was kind of like recent because this shit's not that bad. I don't think I'd be doing this shit with my hands. Oh shit. Ah, sorry. That's a Magna Flow exhaust. Sounds kind of good. I fucking just Alright, render time. The safety first. Bruh. Damn, we gotta watch time. So let's look at along. Had a little struggle with the Wi-Fi. It is an aftermarket one. Check it out. That's gonna go pretty good. It was bolt on this bad piece right here. And the Wi-Fi. Damn it, helicopter. Anyways, so I had a little struggle with the Wi-Fi because it was just like, I don't know if it was through the packaging, but this pipe here was just too like fucking thin. So I ended up putting my stick off my jack stand, like rolled it here slowly. See some scratches, and I ended up stretching it just a little bit shy enough, so it was a little bit flexible. It ended up fitting pretty good after all. So far, I'm almost done with the exhaust. I'm just kind of like setting them kind of loose, and then just trying to put up the muffler. Exhaust is installed. Thanks to fucking Esher, he fucking came out of the blue, came in clutch, installed the last piece. I couldn't install that shit. I needed some fucking monster grip. All right, so let's get the fuck out of here and see how it starts.
For Jesse, while he's gonna turn on the Z.
Imagine it was this fucking tall. It's like fucking Lightning McQueen right now. Ka-chow.
It's funny because the car's almost taller than you.
Well, fucking do some bigger revs right now. I'm just letting it heat up. Clutch, fool.
Even I know how to turn it on.
I can't see my foot.
Alright, get some revs. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Give it a good one. Oh shit. Another one.